Hello everyone, this is Kat, and I am having a nighttime. Ooh, nighttime. I have my LEDs. Whoop, whoop, right there. We're going to be opening up mostly Laguna B3, which is a really dark clay. I've never fired it before, so I don't normally cone 5 fire, but this time I did. And so let's see if I made the cone 5 firing. And I sort of did. This is 4, that's 5, 6, 7. Okay, so while I was firing it and it cut off, I noticed that the cone 5 cone was still up. So I had to kick it back on again and get it to fire a little bit longer, or I wouldn't have gotten that. But I'm happy with that number there, or the way it fired. Thank you, Al, for all your cones talk. I'm going to, this is a little trinket dish that I'd slip cast and just glazed to throw in because it fit in this firing. I had no intention of firing anything other than the darks. My little gnome ornament on V3. I'll take better pictures because I know it's dark. Let me see if I can get them under the light here. Could have done a little better on him, but have the back. He's still really cute though. I used stroke and coat to color him, but once again, I knew it was going to be dark, and I was fine with that because I wanted to have different clays on him. Here's a bowl I made, the biggest bowl I've made. It's a little not in round, but I'm not unhappy. I'm looking to see if I have blisters. Ooh, I love the way that did. Look at that, the way it fired. And I don't see any blisters. Yay! A vase I made. I'll go inside and see better, but as far as see a couple maybe blisters. I can't tell if it's blisters or if it's, no, I think that's just clay. The way yeah, that was just the glaze. It's a little rougher up on top though. Like, I'll probably refire at some point. It may not make the cell because it's rougher up here. Don't know why, but it was. There's another vase kind of object that I did. A little rougher on the top too. This is one I refired. It had a barren spot on it, and I mostly covered up the barren spot. This is speckled buff clay. Running out of room on here on the rim. Okay. This is buffalo wallow clay. I had to dip an extra on the top because for some reason it didn't, but we saved this one. Yay! Didn't even warp out around. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Then here's another one I had refired. It was pretty rough. Still kind of rough for my taste. I just don't know how I feel about the speckled buff clay. But it's just not. It's just a rough clay. I'm not too thrilled with it. Okay, I'm going to pause. Okay, here's the next shelf. Did this with my John's Cash Blue and Chun. Little plate. Got some more gnomies down here. Oh, I'm fixing to drop it. Okay. Little gnome, little gnome. I'll take better pictures, like I said, once I'm done. Little gnome. more of his buddies right here. And have a mug that is, yeah, this is the B3. You can see how dark the clay is. That is dark. That looks black. I kind of like it. Inside, look at that coloring inside. Almost looks like a tea dust, but it's just, gosh, I think it's just licorice in there. My heart bowl. Also, I'm sorry it's dark, but yeah, I just did my purple with the heart bowl with a little bit of the John's Cash Blue on the rim. Here's a Buffalo Wallow bowl that I didn't get in the last firing. Not too thrilled with it. That's going to be another refire because I don't know. I'm not too happy with that glaze job on that bowl. Here's another bowl. B3 clay at night is not. This is Thanksgiving night. Just got back from Dallas. Here's another bowl. This is Buffalo Wallow. It got a little out of round. That's okay. I'm just going to keep it that way. All right. Going to pause for another second so I can get the next shelf up. Okay. So bottom shelf. I know it's hard to see down there because of the lighting. Let me reach in. Get the cone back. This was the one I was watching down on the bottom. So next time I'm going to put like a 10-minute hold on the cone 5 to get it to where it is. Versus doing an entire another cone offset and all that. I've done a cone offset of, oh, that's, okay, can't reach. Oh well, okay, let's go with the mug first. Here's B3, dark clay. That one actually came out good. Ta-da! Oh, that one's cute. Look at that. Not too unhappy with that one. Kind of looks like a blue-green leopard print. Pretty cool. Got the flash on. There we go. That's much better, right? Why did I just learn to do that? Look at that. Way cool. Okay. Now that's much better. Turn on the flash cat. Learned something new about my camera. Another leopard print. Blue leopard print. Purple and licorice. This is the the speckled buff that I did first. I had to put more coats in it because it was rough still. I don't know. People love it. I'm not such a fan. But I'm liking the B3. It's just going to be super finicky. This was on Buffalo Wallow clay. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That was licorice with John's Cash Blue on the rim. And I hate to say that all of these are test tiles because it's my first firing of B3 clay. I'm going to be selling it, and I was hoping I'll sell it anyway. I haven't had time to get test tiles done of it yet. So these are going to be in part my test tiles. I'll make official ones to get a better idea, but so far these have worked out pretty well. The bigger pieces are the ones that I have the problems with, apparently, because, well, shoot, can't reach. I need to be taller. Get on my step. Look at that. Too cool. Don't even know how that occurred. Inside. I think that's Al's Winter White as the liner, and it's looking all sparkly and cool inside. So I guess it's more of a clear. You can see a tiny little bit of white. And then my two little gnomes that I'll get off. Anyway, I'm going to end with this, and I will take some better pictures of the other ones and show you. And this was my kiln opening at night with B3, Laguna B3 clay. Okay, I'll get some pictures taken and put it up at the end. Thank you. Bye.